with slowing down and looking over at the clock. I don't like it.
Unbelievable! He's done it again! Thompson pulls here! Thompson hero wins! 10-6-0! Olympic record! Wow! Another goal! The legacy as one of the all-time greats is surely complete. The Olympic champion becomes the world champion! Defending champion comes back and wins again in supreme style.
Another athlete that we saw looking good over the weekend was Oblique Seville. He ran 10 seconds. Now
Right.
he looks like he can get to low 9.9's or high 9.8's by the end of the season. Tom, what do you think about his run, his confidence? He looks superb. What are your thoughts?
I've been selling Oblique Seville as the next possible 100-meter sprinter that will do well for Jamaica for a while now, for a minute now. Because one thing about Oblique Seville is that he always puts his all into every single race. So seeing that race yesterday, running 10 seconds even, he looked good. He looked okay. There's promise there. There's hope there. That there looks like he could actually run 9.9 or 9.8 maybe by competition season in July, once he continues to put in that background training. And Oblique, as I said, he has that drive and he has the right attitude towards success. He's a hard worker, so I'm expecting to see him get faster and faster, just based on what I've observed about his mentality and his attitude towards work, his attitude towards training, and also how he executes a race. He does not give up. He runs, he gives it his all once he's competing.
Right. I think going to the Olympics last year, and that's why I love when athletes, even if they're not quote unquote medal contenders, get the opportunity and get the experience to go to these, world games, because this hunger and drive just like it wakes up within you, and you're like, I want more, I want more, I want more. So starting this season, what I've seen from Oblique, the feeling I get is that I want more. I want more. I want to be faster. I want to make the finals. I want a medal. That's the feeling I'm getting. And, only more power and strength to an athlete that can push and push and push through all the adversities. They keep pushing because they know what they want at the end of the day. So he every race I see from Oblique, he's getting better and better. And that's what I love. He's running through the line. I had an issue with him last season with slowing down and looking over at the clock. I don't like it. And I've talked about it already. I love when I see our females, because our females kind of set the trend with that. They're not looking over at the clock until it's gone. Unless they're really, really leading by far, they're not really looking at the clock. But what I've seen from him this year is I'm not looking at the clock. I'm running through the line. I can see the time after. And I love that. I love that.
Right.
I love what I'm seeing.
I agree.
All right.
Big things in store for Oblique Seville.
Big things, yeah.
Okay, guys, so there you have it. This was a very big weekend in track and field. We had Shelley and Fraser Price dropping 10, 6, 7 as a season opener. What? That was ridiculous. We also saw Elaine opening her season in the 200 meters. Work needs to be done, but we're still hopeful that our double Olympic champion will get it right when the time comes. We saw our next big gun, Sharika, across the 100 meters, looking solid and improved. Sharika Jackson looking like she's ready for something big this season. We also saw young Oblique Seville setting down a decent time in the 100 meters. And we do believe that there is promise there, and we want Oblique to keep working on his craft, because we do think that he will get better and better as time progresses. Engage us in the comment section below. Tell us what you thought about Shelley's ridiculous run of 10, 6, 7. That has to be the talk of the town. And thanks again for having us get to 10K subscribers.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. We're so ecstatic. It was for a few days, but I wanted to be on the stream with Tom to say it, and I wasn't able to be on the last one with her, so we saved it for today. So we're so grateful, and we're so thankful, and we're so happy. keep motivating us, because seeing the responses from you guys is what keeps us
Keeps us
going.
going.
So we're happy. Just keep the love, just keep the love coming through, and we'll continue to drop quality content as usual, as Tom always says.
Right. So I'm Tam.
And I'm T. We'll catch you in another one.